Well, get ready for a warm stretch of weather as temperatures will be topping out low to mid 90s each and every afternoon over the next 7 days. Now, we should be close to that 90-degree mark for this time of the year, but you will notice we're going to be sitting a couple degrees above it. And that's because in the upper levels of the atmosphere, we still have high pressure that's going to be hanging out, and that high pressure leads to compression or heating at the surface, and that's why those temperatures are going to be running above seasonal. Right now, it is still pretty toasty, even though it's 6:45 in the evening. 90 degrees in Orange Tree, 88 in Ave Maria, and 90 right now in Moorhaven. We're at 88 in North Cape Coral, 85 in St. James City, and 85 degrees right now in Fort Myers Beach. Over in Venice, we're at 86, 88 in Port Charlotte, and 88 degrees right now in tropical Gulf Acres. Now, as we look at those feels like temperatures, is still sitting more so like the upper 90s and hundreds. So what the feels like temperature actually is, it's when you factor in all of the moisture. So your body cools off when it sweats, and that sweat evaporates into the atmosphere. But when there's a lot of moisture in the atmosphere, that process happens a lot slower, and that's where we get feels like temperatures or heat index values. As we check in with WinKLAB Doppler 3X, 3 times more accurate radar, you will notice a couple of very light spot showers currently sitting in Hendry County. You can see some very light ones in nature. Just to the south of LaBelle, you will notice a very small blip, and that's what we'll continue to see over the next couple of hours. But I think by the 10 o'clock hour, we're looking at mainly dry conditions. And to start our Monday morning off, the possibility of patchy fog, but no weather worries when it comes to rainfall. Plenty of sun heading into the lunch hour, and then we will see some cloud cover building in late in the afternoon, and then the possibility of a stray shower or two inland as we head into the 7, 8, 9 o'clock hour. So for tomorrow morning, another warm start to the day, starting off in the mid 70s when we should be closer to the upper 60s for this time of the year. Here's a look at that patchy fog. That'll lift out by the 8 and 9 o'clock hour once we begin to see some mixing in the atmosphere as we begin to heat up. And then into the afternoon, low to mid 90s across Southwest Florida. Feels like temperatures will be sitting in the triple digits. Now, as for rainfall, we desperately need it. Just a possibility of a stray shower again for our Monday. Dry come Tuesday, Wednesday. Then we will have a front pushing through Thursday into Friday. Not going to be doing much for our temperatures, but it will be bringing some isolated showers and storms for the end of the week, and we will keep rain chances in the forecast as we head into the weekend.